please open an Etsy shop. I got you. I'm gonna take this stream and repurpose it into like an Etsy walkthrough. Okay, but I always have to preface this because people always see when I show people how much money I make, they are like, "Oh, you're just showing off." No, I'm trying to show you what is possible. So you can get inspired and do it. And I don't want to charge for any of this shit because like I can make my money off other stuff, you know? But yeah, July is 1,778, August 2,465, September 2,676, October 2,823, and November 4,268. Reason being is because in November, Twitch increased the amount of emotes that an affiliate can have from 5 emotes to 14, with the 14 being 9 still emotes and 5 animated. So as somebody who sells emotes and other stuff too, my emote sales shot through the roof in November because of that. And then December, it's only been 1 week, so this is why the December is so low. But yeah, hi Latina, welcome to my stream. Yes, you can be a beginner and profit off Etsy, kind of. It just depends, right? Like if you're a beginner and let's say you don't have enough art experience, fine, right? Your art may not be as good as other people at Etsy. It's just a fact. So lower your prices then, right? So then if your quality is not the competing factor, then make your pricing the competing factor.